Okay, welcome to using Screencast-O-Matic. It's currently recording on the screen, so if I wanted to explain to my students how to do a certain function in Excel, I could open up Excel, and as it's coming up, I probably want to be a little bit more planned than this. I could open up a new workbook, and let's go blank workbook. Okay, and it's recording what I'm doing, and so I could say, okay, so when you're using Excel, guys, let's just kind of put this here. I've taught Excel for many years, that's why I'm using Excel. If you put a value in the first cell, let's say a 5, and in the next cell you put a 6, you can say equals this cell plus this cell and hit enter, right? It's going to calculate for you. If you change that to the multiplication symbol, notice I'm up here at the top, and I change this to a star and hit enter, it then multiplies them. Okay, so that's my recording. I'm going to